as we move through the week, everybody knows on Friday we are going to be taking a test, right? That is going to be our last thing. What else is due to me at least by Friday, which I know Rachel is going to turn into me today, your project. If you are not finished with it, it is now homework. We spent like every single day in class working on it. We did it together. And again, I know I did one in 74 seconds that had all the parts, right? And if I can do it in 74 seconds, we certainly should be able to do it as the week moves on, right? Although mine would have only been like a C because I didn't have good pictures and I left a few things out in 74 seconds. You certainly can't do everything. That was the whole point of that. But you can get everything on that piece of paper in time. All right, so these are the types of questions we can look at. After a rain, a puddle of water remains on the sidewalk. After a day of sunshine, the puddle is gone. What process is most responsible for the disappearance of the puddle? I'm going to ask you some questions about this because I know you know the answer, but what is precipitation? What is precipitation, Camden? Nope. Anna? Rain, sleet, snow, and hail would not make the puddle go away. What is transpiration? Holy cow. Did you all forget everything that we've taught over the last little bit? Transpiration. Oh, boy. No, it is not transportation. Transpiration is when plants lose water through their leaves. Oh, boy. What is condensation, class? Evaporation. How did the water evaporate? What did the sun do exactly to cause it to evaporate, Grayson? Radiated heat. Radiation. Good job. Again, is that a tough question? Not really, but you do need to know what they all mean. Which of the following changes to matter would result in a new substance? Before I even read the answers, what am I looking for if I said a new substance is formed? I'm looking for a chemical change. Is breaking glass a chemical change? No. Baking a cake. We talked about how when you bake things, it changes. Boiling water. And chopping wood. No, they're all still wood, still water, still glass. This forms a new substance. Again, are we looking at overly difficult test? You should do very well on this. What happens when the sun's energy warms ocean water? Does the water collect? Well, that's like when it rains and it collects in puddles. Does the water condense? Well, it can't condense until it does. Does the water precipitate? I mean, those are things that water can do, but the answer is it evaporates. Can you see how at some point I've got to go over the water cycle at least one more time this week? We've done it a bunch, but we'll go over it again. Jason poured 500 grams of water into a container and sealed it. What type of container is that called if it's sealed? It's called a what, Rachel? Closed container. Nothing can get out. The water freezes. What is most likely true about the ice? The mass of the ice is the same as the mass of the water. That sounds good. Is it greater? The ice formed is a different substance. No. The ice formed is the same temperature as the water. No. We will stop there and line up quickly.